Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Can you really tell the difference between an AI voice and a real human voice? Let's put your ears to the test.
Rain hasn't stopped since you left, washing away the footprints we made together in the garden. Everything here reminds me of a time when silence was peaceful, not lonely. I miss the warmth of your laughter echoing through these empty halls.
The rain hasn't stopped since you left, washing away the footprints we made together in the garden. Everything here reminds me of a time when silence was peaceful, not lonely. I miss the warmth of your laughter echoing through these empty halls.
Surprised? None of those voices were spoken by a real person. Did you guess right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create ultra-realistic AI voices using Noiz AI, a powerful AI voice platform that claims to be a better and more affordable alternative to other tools. We'll look at its text-to-speech quality, voice cloning capabilities, voice design feature, pricing, and overall experience to see if it really lives up to the hype. To get started, simply click the link in the video description and create your free account. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a very clean and beginner-friendly dashboard. Everything is organized nicely, making it easy even for first-time users to navigate. Right away, you'll notice features like text-to-speech, voice cloning, voice design, voice library, studio, access. Instead of overwhelming users with complex settings, Noiz AI focuses on making the entire voice creation process simple and efficient. Let's start with the feature most creators use every day, which is text-to-speech. The process is incredibly straightforward. All you have to do is paste your text into the editor, choose a voice, and generate your audio. For this demo, I'll paste a sample script and use Noiz AI's latest Emotion Engine V2 model. First, I will try a simple text without adding any emotions to generate the voice, and then I will compare it with the version that includes emotions. I will select a voice,
Hey, it's been a long...
paste the text, and click on the speak button.
If you're a coffee lover, you need to hear this. I found a hidden cafe today with incredible coffee, tasty pastries, and an unforgettable atmosphere. It's one of the best places I've visited recently.
Now, let's add emotions and see the difference.
Welcome back to the Daily Grind, where we explore the stories behind today's most inspiring entrepreneurs. I'm your host, Alex. Today, we have an incredible guest who built his empire from nothing.
The voice sounds surprisingly natural and expressive. It doesn't feel like traditional AI narration. Another thing I really like is the huge collection of voices available inside the platform. If one voice doesn't fit your project, you can simply browse the voice library and select another option. There are professional voices, storytelling voices, conversational voices.
When you feel overwhelmed, remember this. You don't have to solve everything at once. Just focus on the next small step.
Hey, it's been a...
Don't miss out on our biggest summer sale happening right now with discounts up to 50% off.
The rain hasn't stopped since you left, washing away the footprints we made together in the garden. Everything here reminds me of a time when silence was peaceful. The rain hasn't stopped since you left, washing away the footprints we made together in the garden. Everything here reminds me of a time when
Noiz AI offers additional flexibility by allowing you to add different emotions and expressive styles to the voice. This makes it easier to create more engaging and dynamic voiceovers for different types of content. Based on this feature comparison, I find Noiz AI more versatile than 11 Labs when it comes to emotional voice generation. And many other styles suitable for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, advertisements, and social media content. You can also adjust emotional intensity and pacing to get even more control over the final outcome. Compared to many AI voice generators, this workflow feels much smoother and faster. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting features, voice cloning. Voice cloning allows you to create an AI version of your own voice, and Noiz AI makes this process extremely easy. Simply upload an audio file or record your voice directly inside the platform. One of Noiz AI's biggest advantages is that it only requires around 3 seconds of audio to create a voice clone. That's significantly less than what many competing platforms require. After uploading my sample recording,
The rain hasn't stopped since you left, washing away the footprints we made together in the garden. Everything here.
Noiz AI quickly generates a cloned version of my voice. With Noiz AI, you only need a 3-second voice sample to clone your voice. So in this case, Noiz AI is faster and more convenient.
The rain hasn't stopped since you left, washing away the footprints we made together in the garden. Everything here reminds me of a time when silence was peaceful, not lonely. I miss the warmth of your laughter echoing through these empty halls.
Next, let's explore the voice design feature, which is something you don't often see in traditional AI voice tools. Instead of cloning an existing voice, voice design allows you to create an entirely new voice from scratch. You can describe the type of voice you want using text prompts, or even upload an image and let the AI generate a matching voice. For example, you could upload an image of a futuristic robot and generate a robotic AI voice, or upload a fantasy character and create a cinematic storytelling voice. This feature is incredibly useful for game developers, storytellers, animators, content creators, and anyone who needs unique custom voices. The platform also provides ready-made templates that help beginners create professional quality voices with minimal effort. Noiz AI offers a powerful image-to-voice feature, which means you can generate voices using visual or creative input. On the other hand, this type of feature is not available in other tools.
In the unforgiving heat of battle, who among you dares to challenge fate now, to face the might of a true gladiator? Lying in this very sand, another foe falls, another victory earned through blood and sweat. Let your cheers echo across this grand arena, for I am not merely a man, I am a legend forged in the unforgiving heat of battle. Who among you dares to challenge fate now, to face the might of a...
Now, let's discuss pricing, because this is where Noiz AI becomes even more interesting. According to Noiz AI, the platform is cheaper than other Tool S, while still offering premium quality voice generation. New users can also take advantage of a special first-month offer for only $2.99. Overall, Noiz AI is more affordable while still offering advanced features, making it one of the most affordable AI voice platforms currently available. On top of that, Noiz AI offers features such as emotional text-to-speech, 3-second voice cloning, voice design, unlimited voice storage, and API access. Speaking of APIs, developers and businesses can integrate Noiz AI into their own applications and workflows, which opens up many possibilities for automation and large-scale content production. After spending some time testing the platform, I can definitely see why Noiz AI is gaining attention among creators. The combination of realistic text-to-speech, fast voice cloning, creative voice design tools, extensive voice libraries, and affordable pricing makes it a strong competitor in the AI voice industry. If you'd like to try Noiz AI for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the video description below. You can explore all of its features and see how it fits into your own content creation process. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.